Okay, today on the workbench I have this robot. It's 3D printed. It was sold by Robot Island, I believe, in around 2017, 2018, somewhere in there, called Robotel. I don't know who the maker of it was. It wasn't me, in case you're wondering. It was simply sent to me for repair work. Now, to get into these, when you got to work on them, you do have screws on the bottom. So I'd take the two front ones off. You want to lift the front off. And then way up inside there, I think you can see that black dot there and that black dot there. You have to reach in there with your small metric Allen tools and loosen those screws and remove these screws. Then you can get the front off. And the reason you need to get the front off on this one was, one, I had one battery wire, the black one, which was off the switch connection in the back. The black hose, which connects the drive from the motor unit to this upper antenna, was slipping at the top, and the only way you can tighten that on there is with a little bit of super glue, unfortunately. And this arm, the linkage was disconnected from its pin on the cam, which is buried in over there, and that can happen by someone trying to move it by hand when they shouldn't. Now, I've done a video on one of these before, which you can see in the background. And so if you want to watch that one, I give a lot more explanation of what's going on and the mechanics and everything. But the one really odd thing about this design is the switch. You rotate this to turn it on, but it's a push-on, push-off switch. So even though you turn it back, what should be off, the robot's going to stay on. You have to then turn it on, or turn it to the right again, and then back to the left again to turn it off. So push on, turn to the right, turn to the left, it's on. To turn it off, turn to the right, turn to the left, and it's off, because it's kind of confusing. So I have a battery in there, and there it is. It's a pin walker, as you can see. We got the rotating antenna, moving arms, and then rotate that, see it's still on, do it one more time, and then it's off. That's how you have to deal with the push on, push off. Now, the easiest way to do the battery part thing is to put it in facing that way, and of course use gravity as your friend. So easiest way to deal with that without breaking anything is to drop the battery in that way. Then you're going to twist, because you don't want these wires getting jammed up in all those gears in the motor. Twist those around to the front. Just push them down on. But then you won't be able to get this front door on, because they didn't really make this hollow enough back there. So you take and bend those wires upward on this connector once you have it in there, so they're facing up and out of the way. Then you can get the door on, which is held on with a magnet. Like so. And there you have it. It's your Robotel, I believe sold by Robot Island. And this is a different color than the one they did in the past. I'll put a link to the one that I did in the past so you can get more information about it.